Here, one stick chili combo, chop it.
Slice.
And you put a little bit sprinkle, salt.
Okay. Sprinkle of salt brings out the juices a little bit. And
the potato, you poke it whole, throw in the microwave for about 5 minutes.
so pre-cook the potatoes in a microwave. Saves a lot of time rather than baking them.
Yeah. And
one carrot or about a half a carrot there.
And you put in the hot water and the potato. And
You don't peel the potatoes yet?
no,
Okay.
I show you how to peel potato. And cook for about 5 minutes.
Okay. And you also pre-cooked them in the potatoes in the microwave.
And the carrot, maybe about 3 minutes, you take them out. You don't want to overcook.
Okay.
Your potato cook.
Okay, the potatoes cooked probably how long? 5 minutes? 6 minutes?
5 minutes.
Okay.
Wrap in a paper towel.
This is how to peel them while they're still boiling hot and you not get burnt.
You use this. If it's still hot, use the towel. And the paper towel top on it.
Could you peel them ahead of time before you boil them?
No, this one is better.
They'd fall apart?
Yeah, pretty easy to peel.
They peel quite nicely.
Yeah.
Scrapes off basically. You could possibly let them cool a little tiny bit.
But the hot is better for
Comes
smashing.
off easy. Oh, and they smash easier when they're hot.
Yeah,
Makes sense.
yeah. Potato, put them in there. And the smash with a knife.
Fork.
Oh, hook.
One of those.
Yeah, my Japanese getting backwards. So. Okay, the second potato almost to finish.
Skin comes off pretty easy.
Yeah,
And you hold it in your hand with a towel so you don't burn your hand.
yeah, and then put them in
Toss it
there.
in and smash it.
Smash it.
And the potato salad is done.
No, not yet.
Not yet. Oh, okay. Oh well, I thought so.
Okay. Cut the small like this. Carrot.
Thin slice.
You put the sprinkle salt so you can squeeze them. Squeeze the water out.
Squeeze the juice out, yeah?
That much water.
Uh-huh.
And then put them in there.
And that's the basics of your potato salad.
Yeah.
Japanese style. Stir up those ingredients. You let it cool a little bit before you add mayonnaise.
Yeah.
Okay, so gotta let it cool, and then we'll be adding the next step.
Okay. Then you take them out. You don't see no steam. Mean to cool down.
Doesn't have to be cold, it
Yeah.
just has to stop steaming.
Yeah.
Next goes the main ingredient, which is Japanese mayonnaise.
1, 2, 3, 4 tablespoons. Oops. 4 tablespoons mayonnaise.
Okay, 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise.
And then mix it.
That's Kewpie mayonnaise is the brand in Japan. You can use American mayonnaise,
But you
it-
have to put a little bit sugar.
and it's going to taste a lot better with the
Yeah.
Kewpie mayonnaise.
I think 5 tablespoons.
You got that much left in there?
Yeah, 5 tablespoons.
A little more, yeah?
Yeah, 5 tablespoons.
Those are big tablespoons, so 5 big tablespoons. Probably closer to 6 real tablespoons.
Yeah.
And it mixes up. It looks different than American potato salad. It's a little bit more of a mashed potato kind of thing.
And the group yellow, yeah.
But it sure is good.
Okay, that's it. Right. And just eat it.
Good?